Hello friends! Kain tayo! So this is one of my parang favorite combo. Sardinas, itlog, and of course, kanin. Kanin is life, guys. So I usually eat this ng breakfast time kasi nga may itlog. But kanina hindi naman ako nag-breakfast. Usually hindi na ako nakakapag-breakfast. So naisip ko, parang nag-crave ako bigla ng sardinas for lunch. Kaya, here we are. Sarap na ito. Have you tried it with egg? Di ko alam kung common combination ba to. Pero for some reason, gusto ko siya. Sarap. Parang comfort food. Ang sarap. Tapos pag magkamay ka pa, parang mas masarap siya. Diba, no? Ako lang ang nagkakamay dito sa bahay. Yung asawa ko, he doesn't like eating with his hands. And similar naman, hindi naman kumakain ng masyadong Pinoy food. So, whenever she uses her hands, it would be like for mga chicken tenders, alam mo yung mga ganun. So, it does not count. Hindi niya alam yung legit na pagkain ng kamay. Pagkain, ano? Hindi niya alam kung paano kumain ng nakakamay. Yung may patulak-tulak na ganun. Sarap. Yun lang. I just wanted to share one of my favorite combo na sardinas and fried egg.